Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video I will show you how to connect a C-type port that are widely available these days in our mobile phones to a 3.5mm jack headphone or earphone. So I'll show you this phone. This phone doesn't have any 3.5mm jack as we used to be in other phone, like I'll show you this one. This is OnePlus 5T. So it has a 3.5mm jack. If you can see, I'll focus it. This is a 3.5mm jack and this is a C-type port. But these days, mostly mobiles are coming with this kind of port. It doesn't have any 3.5mm jack. I'll show you here. So how to connect my old headphone? We have headphones like this and most of our headphones are like this only. So how to connect this? So it has a very simple adapter. I'll show you. This kind of adapters are available in market. It will be like hardly 100 to 200 rupees of this kind of adapter. If you want to purchase a branded one, it may come like 200 to 250 rupees, or better to go for a branded one because it will have a tight fit and it will it will not be loose in any side. So this kind of port, you can see this is C-type port. Here, I'll focus it once again. This is C-type port here and this side is 3.5mm jack. What I'll do is connect this 3.5mm jack to this port. I'll just simply connect it and yeah, it's fitting tightly. You can hear the sound, and this port would be connected to my C-type port here, this thing. So I'll connect it. So once I do that, this headphone is now connected and I can use it to listen to sounds or music from this phone. So friends, don't worry, if you don't have this 3.5mm jack in your phone, then purchase this kind of adapter and use your headphones easily. So friends, I hope this video was very simple and quite useful on how to use your headphones or 3.5mm jack headphones or 3.5mm pin headphones in your C-type port. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.